I tend to do something pretty early because I know a lot of people are waking up and checking their phones, so I want my post to be the first thing that they see in the morning.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Tania Martinez with Manifest Your Hustle. Today I'm going to be sharing a few business tips on how you guys can stay consistent on your Instagram and Facebook profiles. And if you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming out with new videos every Tuesday on mindset and Friday with small business tips. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first tip I have for you guys is to be using Facebook Creator Studio. It has really helped me schedule my posts to both Instagram and Facebook, so that's why I find it super helpful. And you guys can also pre-record videos and schedule them as IGTVs. So let's go ahead and look at this platform. This is your content library. You guys can see anything that you have posted in your stories or anything that you just have posted in general, IGTVs, any reels, anything that you guys have posted. In order to schedule a post, you must create a post right here, and then we're gonna go ahead and do it to your Instagram feed. The nice thing is that you can have multiple business profiles on this. So you guys can always make content for each page, and you guys can schedule it to whichever page you want. So let's go ahead and do it to this page, Manifest Your Hustle. So I'm going to pull a graphic that I made on Canva. Let me grab it. There it is. So right up here, you can make your post. And you guys can also include hashtags in this. And one thing personally that I recommend is that you save your hashtags in, like a file, so that way you guys can pull out the ones that you think most relate to this post. A little bit of a disclaimer, make sure that you are always researching your hashtags, so that way your hashtag can get enough reach, so that way more people can see your post. There are advanced settings on this, so if you want to turn off the comments, you can. Let's go ahead and go back to post info, and then right here on this bottom little arrow, you guys can click it and you guys can publish it now, schedule, or save it as draft. I'm gonna go ahead and schedule so that way you guys can see what that looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and schedule for Friday at 6 a.m. I tend to do something pretty early because I know a lot of people are waking up and checking their phones. So I want my post to be the first thing that they see in the morning. So that's why I do it super early. Okay, and so then the next thing that you would do is, if you want to post it to Facebook, what you guys can do is click this little check and hit the little arrow, and you guys can go ahead and schedule it as well. Quick note, if you guys do not schedule this, it will automatically publish. So you guys want to make sure that you guys are hitting the schedule button. So right here, you guys can schedule this, and then that should show up at the top. But if you guys are scheduling a lot of posts, and can go ahead and click on scheduled, and you guys can see that it's right there. Another thing that you guys can do to stay consistent on these platforms is to plan out your schedule of when you guys are going to be doing videos and stories. This really helps you stay consistent and gets your audience accustomed to seeing you guys at a certain time each week. Like for example, I was doing a series where I interviewed women entrepreneurs in our area, and my audience knew that I was going to be on every Wednesday at 7 p.m. So more people started to show up as time went on. As for stories, just put it in your calendar. And the nice thing is that on Canva, you guys can actually create stories, and then you guys can, schedule it on your phone when you guys want that to go out. So just set a little reminder so that way you know when to post it. So I hope these tips help you save a little bit of time. And if you guys liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really helps people find me, and I'm super grateful that you're here. Okay, so I'll talk to you soon. Bye.